Let's get right into this video. What is up, you guys? It's your girl shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look, this cut, this color. Just look close up, little closey, you know. Ooh. It was definitely a learning experience, as you will see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, let's get right into it. So first, let me start out by showing you how this wig originally looked. You see, it was a black bob. I had it for my birthday maybe 3 birthdays ago. I'm bad with time, y'all. It was either 2 or 3 birthdays ago. Excuse me. I don't like hearing noises now. But yeah, so that's how that one looked. But basically, I'm just going to show you now how I went from the black wig that you seen with the straight black. I'm going to show you how I went from that straight black bob to this one, in which I just want to get up close. It's like blue, turquoise. You know how it's like that nice royal blue? I'm going to quickly show you how I achieved this look. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it, and see you later. Okay, so this is the bleaching process. Pouring the bleach into the container, and then you will see that the developer that I'm using is 30 volume developer. I wanted to use 40, but I didn't have any. 30 was all that I had. Just keep in mind when choosing the developer that the higher the number, the higher it will lift in the blonde color. I did not go by any type of measurement, so I'm so sorry if you're a detailed person. I just kept going in with more developer and mixing up a little bit until it was the consistency of, I would say, pancake mix. So then I just started to paint the bleach onto the hair in thin sections. You want all of the hair to be touched by the bleach. I also flipped the hair over so I could get the back side of the strands as well. And guys, be sure to wear gloves. It is so important that you wear gloves. I got a little bit on my hands and I was freaking out because it was burning and itching my hands. I don't show how long of a process this was, but trust me, I had a lot of trial and error. I ran out of bleach. I believe I originally bought 2 packets. I ended up having to go back to the beauty supply store and buying an additional 2 more packets of bleach. So yeah, it's definitely, just make sure you have enough bleach to cover your whole head. And then what you see me doing right now at the end is taking aluminum foil and wrapping the head up entirely. What that will do is keep the heat inside, and as you know or may not know, the heat will allow this whole process of the hair lightening to happen faster. I left the bleach on for 20 minutes, and then after that time was up and I took the aluminum foil off, you will see that not the whole hair was complete because that was before I had to buy the more bleach. So at this point you can see only half of my hair was done, if that. I had to buy more. So now for the color. Take a look at how my wig was when it was bleached before I put the color on. I did wear it like that for a couple of days, so you will see a picture of me wearing the blonde wig as well. As for me dyeing the hair, It was so simple. I laid it out on plastic. Make sure that it doesn't get on your floors because it will stain. And I just rubbed it in with my hands, literally rubbed it into all of the hair. Make sure you get it everywhere. Make sure you flip the wig over because you may miss a spot, but you don't want your wig to be blue and then have patches of blonde, unless that's the look you're going for. And I think that's about it. So yeah, just kick back, relax, and watch the rest of the show. What's up, y'all? I forgot to mention the details on the hair products that I used, well, the hair coloring. One of the blues that I used was the Arctic Fox. It looks like this, but this is obviously not the color. The one that I used was called Poseidon. This is just a purple one. I'm showing you how the bottle looks. It is a vegan product, so it's not tested on animals, and it's a semi-permanent hair color. So with every wash, it will get lighter and lighter, but this will not harm your hair at all. It does instruct you to leave this on your hair for 30 minutes or longer before washing it out. I left this on this wig for a few days, I'm not even gonna lie to you, because I didn't have the time to do it, but it just goes to show you that your hair will not be damaged. I kept it in the hair for like a day or two. The other thing is that I had a small bottle of this, so it ran out quickly and only got a smidgen of my hair completed, so I ended up needing more color, so I used Adore. Adore is also another semi-permanent, just like Arctic Fox. It is not tested on animals. Let me make sure of that first before I be lying. Yes, it is also cruelty-free, another vegan product called Adore again. So I used two different colors of Adore. This one is called Indigo Blue, and I will insert the name of the second blue I used. It was a lighter color, more like a turquoise. That's what gave that lighter blue color that you see. I'm gonna put that below because I threw that bottle out. I'm so sorry about that, but I will get that name for you and you'll see that inserted below. I just want to share that with you, and yeah, we'll keep going with the video. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support. And please leave any comments down below. I always check them and I always respond back in a timely manner. I'm sorry, I love this color, man. Yeah! 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 It's a look, it's a look, it's a motherfucking look. Love you guys and see y'all in the next video.